All right, so as much as I feel like the Bose Ultra Open are overpriced, I will admit they've definitely grown on me more so than when I first picked them up. And in this video, I pretty much just want to break down my experience with the Bose Ultra Open compared to the Shokz OpenFit, which are another great option as far as open style earbuds go. Now, first things first, as far as price, obviously the Bose Ultra Open, they're coming in at $300, whereas the Shokz OpenFit come in at $179. And if you look hard enough, if you shop around, you can probably find them for a little bit cheaper than that. So we're talking potentially half the price of the Bose Ultra Open. And for some of you guys, the comparison might end right there. The fact that you can potentially pick up two of the Shokz OpenFit for the price of one Bose Ultra Open might be enough to help you go ahead and make your decision right then and there. Now, for me, the first thing that I noticed between these two is just how minimal the Bose Ultra Open really are. The case is a little smaller, the earbuds are definitely smaller, and when I'm wearing them, I feel them less compared to the OpenFit. The OpenFit are extremely comfortable. Obviously, there's nothing in your ear, and that helps tremendously. But since they are larger than the Ultra Open and take up more surface area on the ear, I do feel them a tad bit more. There's no issue with the fit, I just feel them more comparatively. With the Bose Ultra Open, it's a lot easier to forget that you're even wearing these. Another thing I want to point out are the controls. So with the Shokz OpenFit, you're getting touch sensitive controls, and with the Bose Ultra Open, you're getting physical buttons. For me, I feel like the physical buttons are easier to use, at least from an accuracy standpoint, especially if your hands are wet. Maybe you're working out in the gym, and then on top of that, you're getting full control over your music. So you have a single press for play and pause, a double press for your track controls, and then you have a double press with a hold on the second press, which allows you to control your volume. With the OpenFit, you have a double tap and then a tap and hold option, and you have to choose a different group of controls for each action. So you can get very close to having all of your controls, but you will have to sacrifice at least one thing. So I like the fact that I can control my music no matter what I'm trying to do directly from the Bose Ultra Open. Now, as far as connection, one definite advantage for the OpenFit is multi-point, and that allows you to connect the two devices at once. And that's certainly a feature I think the Bose Ultra Open should have, especially considering the price. It's a feature that I like to take advantage of from time to time, and the experience with the OpenFit has been very smooth. I've been able to switch back and forth between my phone and my laptop with zero issues. And I think that's important these days. I know these open style earbuds are generally geared towards athletes, but I'm sure some people might want to use them for work purposes just because they're so comfortable. Now, I guess potentially the Ultra Open could add multi-point through a firmware update, but we'll just have to wait and see. Now, if you're considering either of these more so for working out and hitting the gym, neither of them are fully waterproof, but the OpenFit have an IP54 dust and water resistant rating compared to just an IPX4 water resistant rating on the Ultra Open. So you're getting a little bit more protection from dust and dirt with the OpenFit. Now, I'm sure what most of you want to know is how they stack up in terms of sound quality. And I'll definitely say that they have two different styles of sound. So with the OpenFit, you're definitely getting a more upfront, a more dynamic, definitely more bass, and just overall a stronger type of sound. And I think that's for two reasons. I'm guessing that the driver that they're using is larger, but it also has to do with the positioning of the earbud. The OpenFit sit directly on top of your ear. Obviously, they're not inside your ear, but they're still right there. So they're able to kind of channel that sound a little bit better towards your ear canal. Whereas the Ultra Open more so sit on the outside of your ear. It's not as close to your ear canal, and because of that, you're getting a much more airy, open, spacious type of sound. It's not as upfront. It doesn't come off as closed in. I wouldn't say that one is necessarily better. Again, they're just two totally different styles when it comes to sound. Also, with the Ultra Open, they have the immersive audio, which is pretty much spatial audio. So that kind of broadens the sound a bit and really adds to that whole open sound concept. You do get the option of custom EQ on both, and oddly enough, I prefer the treble boost on both earbuds. Now, which one would I choose personally? If I was to throw price out the window, I do prefer the Bose Ultra Open, and I feel like that's because if I'm buying a pair of open style earbuds, my number one focus is hearing my music and my surroundings at the exact same time. And I feel like the Bose Ultra Open do that a tad bit better. To me, they leave more of the ear exposed, which makes it easier for you to hear both at the same time. Now, the fact that they are $300 does complicate things a bit. I think they should be around $200, which would be closer to the price point of the OpenFit. The OpenFit do have their advantages. Like I said, they offer the multi-point connection. They have a stronger, more dynamic sound with more bass, and I feel like they have the better microphone performance. To me, they pick up the voice better, and the noise cancellation seems to be more effective compared to the Bose Ultra Open. All right, so as you guys can see, we're outdoors today, giving the Bose Ultra Open a little test drive. Right now, you're listening to a microphone test. You can see to the left of me, we do have some ongoing traffic. So yeah, we're gonna switch over to the Shokz OpenFit, and you guys let me know which one you think sounds the best as far as microphone performance. All right, so now we've switched over to the Shokz OpenFit, same outdoor environment. Again, some slight traffic taking place to the left there. So yeah, compared to the Bose Ultra Open, and let me know which one you think sounds the best. So overall, if you're looking for the best possible setup to hear your audio and your surroundings at the same time, I feel like the Bose Ultra Open do that. You might just want to wait until they go on sale. Now, if you're looking to make a decision right now and you want the best value, then the OpenFit probably make more sense. That covers it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful. If so, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel. And aside from that, appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.